Hey guys, it's Tech9 and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to set up CodeBlock, how to install CodeBlock. So just follow the simple steps. Open your web browser. Okay. So just search CodeBlocks. Okay. CodeBlocks. Then click on downloads. As you can see, this is codeblocks.org/download. If it does not redirect you to downloads, just click on downloads to redirect you to download. So just click on download the binary release. Just close the ad. Okay, so you have to select the operating system that you'll be using CodeBlocks on. As for me, I'm using it on Windows. So you have to select the format or the type of the setup that you want to install. So we're going to install CodeBlocks min w setup. Okay, so select any of the two, sourceforge.net. So here, wait for download. So wait for it to start downloading. So here it's downloading. So after the download is complete, open file manager and locate folder that has the code block. So just double click on it to run as administrator. Just click yes. Okay, wait for it to load. So welcome to CodeBlock setup. Next, agree, next. So this is the file location or the destination for the, just click install. Yes, wait for it to install. So the CodeBlocks installation is almost complete. Just wait for it. It takes about a minute for it to finish installing. So if this video is helpful, please guys don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the installation is almost complete. So this installation is for CodeBlocks on Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. So just click on yes. So after you click yes, it's going to run CodeBlocks. So as you can see, we have successfully installed CodeBlocks. Now let's see if CodeBlocks is working. So go on files, new, then click on project. So select the projects that you're going to open. So as for me, there are a lot of projects in here, so we're going to open. Okay, there are a lot of projects, so just okay, let's console application. Just click on go. Okay, then just click next. So you have to select which language you prefer or which language you are going to start using in CodeBlocks. So I'm going to start using C++. Name the project. I'm going to name it as Tech9. Okay, this is the file path. So here, okay, just going to select the document folder, then next. Okay, so we're going to use GNU GCC compiler, finish. Okay, so then build, just click on build. Nothing to be done, and all things are, all items are up to date. So click on source, main. Okay, yeah, so this shows that CodeBlocks is working properly. So if this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to leave us a like and a comment.